Carl's Appliance, serving mid-Michigan since 1977, is family-owned, dependable, and has the service you trust. Carl's is celebrating the opening of their new second location in downtown Grand Blanc by giving away a free refrigerator. Stop into Carl's new location, featuring GE appliances by hire, and register to win the free refrigerator. While you're there, check out all the deals on GE appliances and get them in time for the holidays. Stop in and register to win the free refrigerator at Carl's Appliance, new second location in downtown Grand Blanc.